Wow, what a crazy story that is. Here's another one. Snowblowers recalled amid winter storms over amputation hazard. You don't have a snowblower, do you?
I do, yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Wow. Is it a Toro branded?
I don't think so.
Is it red? What color is it?
Green?
Green.
Like
Was it a
dark
John
green.
Deere? What do you got going on over there?
I don't know. It may be.
Either way, you're blowing snow.
Sure. Yeah.
Anyway, have you ever examined how it actually operates?
I did, yeah. I'm curious. I'm not going to tell you how it works.
Why?
If that's what you're saying.
Why?
Okay, fine. It's like a coil, right? Where the snow goes in and then the coil kind of leads them into like a tube that just kind of blows it out, right?
Yeah. Does that look dangerous to you at all?
Oh, yeah.
What's the dangerous part?
The coils. It's kind of sharp. And it kind of leads the snow into like this little tube.
Yeah. So that part that you're talking about is called the auger that you're calling the
auger.
coil. Yeah, it's called the
Okay.
auger. And Toro's recalling 6,700 snowblowers because of a faulty auger that can fail to disengage when the lever is released, posing an amputation hazard. So presumably what happens here, now nobody did this, but they're putting a recall out anyways, but so the way that this would be an issue is that the auger itself at the bottom part would not disengage. It would keep spinning, and then somebody would try to manually stop it.
Oh, yeah, that's not a good idea.
Like would try to manually either put a hand in there or a foot. And so I'm reading through this article. I'm like, first of all, that's a terrifying proposal. But then I end up in the comment section over here and people saying, having owned and still own snowblowers, I have never stood in front of one while it was running and stick my hand or foot in to see if it was still rotating. If you are inclined to do that, you need to buy a couple of shovels instead or move to a warmer place.
Yeah. I agree with them.
Followed by dead on, common sense is seriously lacking nowadays. Followed by ditto. Followed by pro tip, if the auger does not disengage, do not attempt to stop the auger with your hand or arm. Turn off the machine. People are mad. I've owned a couple blowers in my life, and regardless of the defect, moving or not, anyone who sticks their hands in the auger deserves whatever they draw back. If you can't figure that one out, let someone else blow your snow. Harsh in the comments.
Pro tip.
Harsh in the comments, but yeah, I get what they're saying.
usually
It is, I suppose there's the common sense aspect to it, but what can you say? It's a pretty, it would be a terrifying result for somebody who didn't follow the protocol, and obviously Toro doesn't want to get sued, and therefore they're going to put the recall out there. And,
So
and
did it happen?
it's going to have to get fixed either way. No, it hasn't.
But it's just
There has
a
been
disclaimer.
so they have the lever which engages the auger, gets it spinning, and it can't. The faultiness is it won't disengage. So people may panic and do something dumb because they can't turn it off. They can't disengage it, and so that's the reason for the recall. They're saying without getting it repaired due to the recall, then it could pose that particular risk. But the same goes for lawnmowers and, any type of equipment Willie Doo would use on a Saturday afternoon in the springtime. Or the wintertime.
The winter, yeah.
Or the summertime.
Either way, I'm using
I
it.
moved to lawnmower, and then I had to go back to
hear ya.
snowblower.
I get it.